Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to unfriend on Facebook. First step is go to www.facebook.com in your preferred browser. If you are not already logged into Facebook, enter your email address or phone number and password before continuing. Go to your friends and profile page. Type the friend's name into the search bar at the top of the newsfeed page. Then click their profile picture to go to their page. Select the friends button is a check sign. It's in the top right corner of their cover photo that's at the top of the page. Then click unfriend. You will find the option at the bottom of the drop down menu. Now the person you unfriended would now be notified. Please like this video, subscribe our channel and press bell icon for more updates. Thanks for watching.